Good morning, Eastview. How are you guys doing? Hopefully, well. We have a short agenda today, so after you do the QOD, you get to just work on your edits. You need 3 total edits, one for each landmark of you. You obviously have to be in there, possibly with other family as well. And then your exit slip question. So I did a couple things to the directions page to make it a little easier for in response to some of the questions. I put in bold the you must be in each. And I also have this in bold, the select the web canvas size of 1280 by 720. I included this picture. It just says web 720p right here. That's the one you want to click when you are creating new. You click create new, select that, and then create, and you're ready to go for your edits. So some of you may have some adjustments to make, but as we use these images for our next project, you're really going to need that. So 3 total edits. This is the way we do them, and make sure you're in them. And enjoy. Tomorrow we're going to use these in our next project, Google Earth, which I think you guys are going to like. Have a great day.